Every time I talk about the government, I always talk about, even if you're not going to give the people anything, just give them security. What is the offense of this guy? Go to this guy's page, you will see. Guy, everybody, people.
To document something. I'm tired. I tried my best. I tried. Victor, my younger brother, I don't wish to leave you. But I can't cope anymore. Mo ti gbìyànjú.
It will give me more joy to give this fish to very dark man than to sell them. Just as a way of appreciating him for all the good deeds he has been in Nigeria, and for him coming to Onitsha, Anambra state, my state, to help traders, to speak out for us. It's not easy. So I want to send this fish to him, only if I can reach him. Please, help me tag very dark man so that I can get this fish across to him. Please and please, come and see the fish.
Help us tag very dark man.
Please. Unfortunately, he will not be able to give me that fish because he has been kidnapped and he has been killed.
I don't tell when I say now, I don't know for this fish industry, David. All of them, I don't forget about fish gills.
When we ask, right, what is the offense of this guy? If you go to his page, all he does, I saw him for the very first time on Tunde Ednot's page when he said he wanted to give me fish. For me, I was so easy. Every time I talk about the government, I always talk about, even if you're not going to give the people anything, just give them security. What is the offense of this guy? Go to this guy's page, you will see. Guy, everybody, people. I can't put the guy there. I'll put it there, man. Look at what he said to me on the 23rd of June. He said, "Big brother, please, it will be an honor to get this fish across to you. It's already in the oven, one name." On the 26th of June, sent another one. He said, "I greet you, big brother. Your fish is ready. Any info where I will send it to will be appreciated. Please accept this gesture." To the executive governor of Anambra State, Chukuma Soludo. You see, I see your kids. They go abroad. One of them is even abroad. What's his name? Uzuna. What's his name? When your children in the country, maybe say, if you don't like that country, you know, go send your pikin go. If security no dey that country, you know, go send your pikin go. At the governor of Anambra State, the kidnapping and killings in Anambra State is too much. It's too much. What is the hope of entrepreneurs? What is the hope of the people that want to do business in Nigeria? The government don't offer you too much. And when you decide to start, you are not even sure of your security. Every day, I'm even tired of hearing this thing. Every day, you say, Neki, farmers for Benway. We just see they keep farmers for jobs. You know, these things. You go just say, please guys, I'll be coming to Anambra State, maybe like on the 4th, I think on the 4th. Then maybe we can do a candlelight. I mean, any day that does not clash with the sit at home in Anambra State, we can do a candlelight, just a candlelight walk for fish magnet, and also raise awareness on the kidnappings going on in Anambra State. If you go through the guy's page, you see all he does is to promote his business. That's all that boy does. You know? So we're coming to Anambra State on the, we'll be coming maybe on the 3rd, then I'll post from Anambra State, and I hope the time does not clash with the sit at home in Anambra. Let's just work, and also to raise awareness on the insecurity that's going on in the East. Generally, an insecurity going on in Nigeria, I can't, it's becoming so normal every day, you know. Benue own had become so normal. Even 2 days ago, 2 people was also killed in Benue, and they were dropped by the road, you know. Just is now a regular thing, and it's slowly crossing, you know. I keep saying these things, we keep quiet, and this thing will just go across for Nigeria. And here we did now. The painful part is that the youth pay little or no attention to insecurities in Nigeria. They would rather go for trending entertainment issues, you know. I don't know, I'm not trying to push blame on anybody, but the sooner we take insecurity serious in Nigeria, the better for all of us. Thank you.
Mo kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi, mo kí wa ipa kó bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ààyè ọpẹ́ yọ.
Wọ́n ní mi sí ìjọba, mò ń lọ ń dá sí nǹkan tí ó kàn mí, ṣùgbọ́n ohun tó kàn mí mo dá sí torí pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Bí ìjọba bá wà tí ò sí ẹ̀tọ́ tó yẹ kó ṣe fún aráàlú tí wọ́n dìbò fún tó jẹ́ ìjọba lé lórí. Tí ìjọba bá wà tí ààbò bá sí fún aráàlú tó olóòṣè ìjọba lé lórí, aráàlú dìde fúnra ẹ̀.
Èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú òyìnbó òun la ní ká jọ wò. A ní jẹ gbèsè, a dẹ̀ ní dáràn. No going back ni, but ìgbà wo ni àwa ò mọ, àkókò wo ni a mọ̀. But èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, ó ń bà wá nínú jẹ́, ó ń kọ wá lóminú. Ìyá mi bá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ lọ máa wo àwọn tá a kọ́kọ́ fi máa ń ṣe warm up náà ká tó wọnú agbami ètò. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
This is another planet, another drone. Jesus is called planet. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo ṣípù ni o. Ṣípù ni o. Ṣípù ni o. And the drone like play me ni wọn.
Ibo náà wà lọ́wọ́.
Mi mọ̀ tí wọ́n lọ.
Àwọn yẹn nílẹ̀ yẹn kọ̀ọ̀kan ní fọ́mọ̀ bíi pàtàkì wà ní.
Ó mú kò ní mú kí ni.
Wọ́n ní ìlú. Ẹbí ọmọ wọn ní another planet. Ìlú mi. Ẹ yàtọ̀ sàyè.
Drone lára ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wọ́n kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wọ́n máa ń jẹ́ ọ̀kan. Ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wọ́n. Mo lè sáré lọ láìfù náà.
Lánàá 30 oṣù keje ọdún 2020 yìí July 30, 2025 làwọn èèyàn ká fọ́nrán yìí nílùú Ìbàdàn níbi tí wọ́n ti rí àwọn nǹkan lójú òfurufú tó jẹ́ kàyéfì fún wọn. Ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n so mímọ́ fọ́nrán yìí tí í ṣe pé wọ́n táàgì mi tí wọ́n sì ń béèrè pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àlàfo òfurufú ìyẹn airspace tìlú Ìbàdàn. Mo fẹ́ ká kíyèsí pé gbogbo ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí dá lórí ohun tí mo rí nínú fọ́nrán táwọn èèyàn so mímọ́ yìí nìkan tán àgbálọgbábọ̀ ìyẹn conclusion mi ṣeé ṣe kó yí padà nígbà tá a bá rí ìtónilétí information tuntun tàbí tá a bá rí fọ́nrán míì tó jẹ́ ká ráwọn nǹkan tó wà lójú òfurufú yẹn ketekete. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí fọ́nrán míì nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ẹ so mí mọ̀ tí í ṣe pé kẹ́ ẹ táàgì mi kí n tún lè gbé yẹ̀wò síwájú sí i. Àkọ́kọ́ náà àwọn nǹkan tó wà lójú òfurufú yìí kì í ṣe ọkọ̀ gbalasa ìyẹn spaceship gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ti sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Bí ọ̀rá tó ń fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ lójú òfurufú làwọn ohun tó wà lójú òfurufú yìí ṣe ń fẹ́. Àwọn ọkọ̀ gbalasa kì í jábọ́ tàbí fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ bí ọ̀rá. Ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ inú gbalasa òfurufú táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní space làwọn ọkọ̀ gbalasa òfurufú ti máa ń fò tiwọn. Wọn kì í fò lójú òfurufú tá a mọ̀ sí atmosphere báwọn ohun tó wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí ṣe ń fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́. Bákan náà ẹ rí i pé àwọn ohun tó wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí kò sáré wọ́n kàn ń fẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ni. Eré burúkú làwọn ọkọ̀ gbalasa ìyẹn spacecraft máa ń sá. Ẹni tó bá ti ríbi tí bàálù ìyẹn airplane bá ti ń fò rí náà ó ti mọ̀ pé àwọn nǹkan yìí kì í ṣe bàálù bọ́kan lára àwọn tó wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí ṣe sọ. Ẹ má gbàgbé bàálù làwọn olóyìnbó máa ń pè ní airplane. Ẹnìkan náà tún sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí pé àwọn akùnyùn táwọn òyìnbó ń pè ní drone làwọn nǹkan tó wà lójú òfurufú yìí. Kò súnmọ́ kéyìí náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìdí ni pé àwọn akùnyùn drone kì í jábọ́ tàbí fẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ báwọn nǹkan tó wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí ṣe ń fẹ́lẹ́lẹ́. Yàtọ̀ sí yẹn àwọn akùnyùn drone máa ń kùn yùmùyùmù ní tiwọn ni. Tó bá ṣe pé àwọn akùnyùn ló wà lójú òfurufú lóòótọ́ ó yẹ ká máa gbọ́ kí wọ́n máa kùn yùmùyùmù nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ rí i pé a gbọ́ ìkùnyùmù kankan. Fún ìdí èyí àwọn nǹkan yìí kì í ṣe akùnyùn táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní drone. Ẹnìkan tún sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí pé àwọn ayé planet míì ló wà lójú òfurufú. Èyí náà kò tọ̀nà rárá. Bóyá ẹni yìí ò mọ ohun tá à ń pè ní ayé planet ẹ sọ fún wọn kí wọ́n máa bọ̀ sí yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sáyẹ́ǹsì Yorùbá kí wọ́n wá wo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ iṣẹ́ tí mo ti ṣe nípa àwọn ohun tá à ń pè ní ayé planet. Ó ṣeé ṣe kẹ́yìn náà máa rò pé àwọn òǹfò àìdámọ̀ òǹfà táwọn olóyìnbó mọ̀ sí unidentified flying object UFO ló wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Èyí náà kò súnmọ́. Ìdí ni pé àwọn òǹfà ìyẹn UFO kì í fẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ tàbí jábọ́ báwọn nǹkan yìí ṣe ń fẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ tí wọ́n sì ń jábọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Tó bá ṣe pé òǹfà ni wọ́n ni wọ́n ò ti sá eré burúkú lọ tí wọ́n ó sì ti pòórá lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Pẹ̀lú ìṣesẹ́ àwọn ohun tí mò ń wò nínú fọ́nrán yìí pàǹtí ló ṣeé ṣe káwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí jẹ́. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń sun pápá níná tàbí tí ibì kan bá ń jó ó ṣeé ṣe kí afẹ́fẹ́ kan tá à ń pè ní àjà iná táwọn òyìnbó mọ̀ sí firewall ó gbéra sọ. Àjà iná firewall tí í ṣe atẹ́gùn alágbára tó máa ń fẹ́ lọ sójú òfurufú láti inú iná tó ń jò lè gbé àwọn pàǹtí bí ọ̀rá tàbí pàǹtí koríko gun òkè sánmọ̀ lọ. Táwọn pàǹtí yìí yóò sì padà máa já wálẹ̀ nígbà tó bá padà yá. Àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké tá à ń rí yẹn súnmọ́ kó jẹ́ àwọn màjàlá tó yọrí látara iná tí wọ́n sun níbì kan. Àwọn èyí tó tóbi láàrin wọn yẹn jọ ìsopọ̀ ewé tátẹ́gùn fẹ́ lọ sínú sánmọ̀. Ìdí táwọn pàǹtí yìí kò fi máa jábọ́ sòsè ni pé ó ṣeé ṣe kí afẹ́gòkè ìyẹn updraft tó wà níbẹ̀ tó ń gbé wọn ró tí ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n ó jábọ́ wálẹ̀ tààrà. Afẹ́gòkè updraft ní afẹ́fẹ́ tó máa ń fẹ́gun òkè sánmọ̀ lọ. Ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ bá a bá rí ìtónilétí ìyẹn information tuntun tàbí fọ́nrán míì táwọn èèyàn ká ó ṣeé ṣe kí àgbálọgbábọ̀ ìyẹn conclusion mi nínú fọ́nrán yìí ó yí padà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wà nílùú Ìbàdàn ẹ dákun àdúgbò wo lèyí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ àti pé ǹjẹ́ iná jó níbì kan lánàá? Ǹjẹ́ fọ́nrán míì wà nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ lábala àríwísí ìyẹn comment section.
Hello my people, for this class we go see reasons why we must fight for a better Nigeria, especially you wey dey outside the country, you dey abroad, Nigeria in diaspora. The reason why you must contribute to a better Nigeria. When we dey talk something, make you also dey contribute. Dey talk put that small voice wey you dey contribute. You think say you no dey go anywhere, dey go somewhere. When you see good, call am good. When you see bad, call am bad. Go see real stories, real life experiences around the world, especially destinations where Nigeria like to dey go. In short, these experiences no be wetin everybody dey experience for outside the country. Na 90% or let's say 80% of Nigerians outside Nigeria. So many Nigerians are doing very well though. We are seeing the majority. Make we start. The first one, look at this.
UK will get better with time. Okay.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Very good statement, too. The statement, very intellectual. With time, yeah, the UK is gonna get better, innit? Now I clear you, my guy. UK go get better in time if you put in the work. Are you hearing me at the back, sir? UK will get better with time if you put in the work. Hello, sir. I go live with you. And the work while they talk, not be shift. Drag your ear, come, Oswald. The normal system, the popular system for UK now say, work, if you get good work, good for you, work, pay bills, and buy. If God don't come bless you with better work, maybe say you put in the work, you go school, you do everything, do all the training courses, work, mortgage, finance car, and buy. Nothing exciting, no, bro. Nothing exciting. No, Baba, bro, you still want to come? No worry, come, but it be like a secret court. Once you enter, you don't enter. It will get out, no problem. That's what I tell you for the country. So prepare your mind, make your mind day. Make your mind take day. God go come, hey. Especially those of us that wake up with study visa. God knows, say, if you dey come this country with study visa, your route, Baba, you don't hear that saying for Bible to say, it is easier for a camel to go through a needle's eye. Baba, you can need better needle eye. That's how the system do. People now not fit come out for their workplace because you go see people they work for somewhere for 20 years, 25 years. How you won't come out? You get mortgage now. You get mortgage. You could just stay there, secure your job, just stay there, pay your mortgage, finance your car. It don't be. And this country now make believe. You go see latest cars everywhere. Latest cars where people not fit afford. But they buy na finance they call that. And this truth go to pain some people.
You believe say na there better pass. I'm not discouraging you. I'm not saying some people they no go like this class. They go say I don't like me person travel abroad. No, I'm just saying Nigeria can be better than overseas. Get the point now. But we listen to our brother in Europe. I think Austria precisely.
Guys, let me tell you. Here in Europe, we are not living. We are merely existing. In Europe here, we are all managing life. Let me tell you why. Because 95 to 98% of Africans living abroad depends on monthly salary. Yes, they wait for their salary to come at the end of the month before they start sorting out their financial problems. And after sorting out their financial problems, they have no money left. That is what is happening to me. If I tell you for years now, it is getting to a decade.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Not been able to travel anywhere because I have no money. Man, I like keeping it real. I like keeping it real. I am stuck here. Do you understand me? I am stuck here. I do not know the way out. Even to gather money together is a problem. To get money in block is a problem. How are you going to, how can you do it? It's not possible to get block money, say thousands, the same time. You get your salary at the end of the month. After 2 weeks, it is finished. Not up to 2 weeks, self. It is gone. Now tell me how you can save money to go on vacation or build a house or do other things with it when you live in this kind of condition or society. Even I used to think somebody caged us with juju here. You know what I mean? Sometimes I think this could be spiritual. There could be a spiritual angle in it. Like somebody, you know, caged us not to get block money. Man, think it now. People, a lot of people desire to come abroad. Many people want to come abroad. They do not know. I'm not telling you everybody is suffering, but majority are suffering. Many people are looking for a way out. Many people are looking, it's not, okay, we have that security, good medical facilities, infrastructures, but then we are not living. We cannot even eat what we want in Europe. We cannot eat our choice food. How much do you have to eat your choice food here in Europe? How much do you have? Man, there are foods we considered junk foods in the past. Now we eat everything. We eat, whether it is junk or not, we eat it just to survive. Man, don't pray to be poor. Now, they tell you, don't pray to be poor. Poverty is not good. Man, they told me not to eat white bread. We are even now. I'm looking for white bread now to eat because I've not eaten since morning. This is no joke. At least it is when, let me tell you, it is when you have money that you have choices. Yes, you have choices only when you have money, but a beggar has no choice. Or not even a beggar. A poor man has no choice. A broke man has no choice. You are hungry. You eat what is available. That is the life of a poor man. Now, Seth, any food I see, nah, man, any food I see now, we eat it. Just to survive. It is when you are fed, when you have money, that's when you begin to, look for, make choices. Man, I don't want to eat this because they told me it causes cholesterol. I don't want, well, man, all those things are bullshit. You know, choices are for the rich. Yes, but a poor man has no choice. Man, I want to end this video here. My name is Roddy. See you in my next video. I like keeping it real.
You don't also hear us. To get block money, it is difficult. Now, only Nigeria, you go invest, put boom, abroad, now small, they drop. If you there Europe, you feel predict how much you go make in 20 years' time because everything is structured. For Nigeria, you feel wake up, small product like this, boom, those scatter ground. The reason why we must make our country great. The weather, everything for this country called Nigeria is very good. But we know they allow politicians, very few, minority, gang together, they scatter for us. We must contribute in one way or the other, in your own capacity. Make Nigeria better for everybody. But we listen to people in Canada.
Guys, things have changed though. This is not the Canada. The Canada we have today is not the Canada that I came to 9 years ago. I came in 2016. And let me tell you, things were so good. You could easily get a job. As I there as a student, I had like 2 jobs. If I don't like this one, I can go for this one, you know. That flexibility as a student, things were cheap with $100. Oh my God. I can't even spend up to $100 on my grocery shopping. Things were so affordable. Talking about families, a lot of people here can't even bring their family members here. Like your spouse, your kids. I was able to bring my family here. I have like at least 10 of my family members that came within a short period of time. You know, things, oh my God, like, I don't even know.
We'll go see this to another one.
There's no job in Canada. No job again in Canada. Even to see dishwasher job nowadays, by connection, you sweat. Dishwasher. There's no job again. So if you are still looking for a job, I'll advise you to go to other provinces. Toronto, all these places. Job no day again, no job. And if you have a job right now, congratulations to you. Don't leave that job. Because if you leave that job, you sweat.
I see one Yoruba boy. They tell me for Canada, no be for Canada here, not Canada here. I try and say, okay, make a video ram. At least make people know say na bush you they sleep. If they beg me, say people go love their family, they borrow money, come here. The guy tell me saying he don't tire. I give her $100 yesterday. Huh? People they suffer. People they so now Canada now he come, he never find work. Government they help him. Government of Canada they give him $700, but $700 no be anything for year. Now the guy say he don't finish him. And he get child for Nigeria. More people they suffer. The guy come they tell me say they no tell him well. They no explain him. Now they plan to come back Nigeria. Now Canada will not they rush.
This man is not in Nigeria, a Caribbean in Canada.
What is the biggest thing you regret in life?
I regret in life? I regret coming to Canada. Because if I had stayed in the Caribbean, I would have been way better. I came to Canada. I worked, I don't know, maybe 20 years. I had to go back to my country. 7 years, living here for 20 years, 7 years in my country, give me enough money to buy 2 properties in Canada cash. 7 years, 7. And 20 years you're just paying rent and nothing. It tells me Canada is just a trap. I own property and it's hard for me. Imagine people who are from different countries for the first year and you're wasting your time, you're going to stress out, you're going to go crazy and you're going to die in less than 10 years when in your country, which would have been harder, you live for another 40, 50 years. No matter how bad it is in your country, it's only going to get worse here. I'm telling you the truth. I travel the world, I live a good life, all kind of stuff. Idea of Canada is to get out of Canada, not get in. And I've realized that between America and Canada, the people who are living back in their country are living better than us who are living over here.
No place is green. Every place they green. It depends on how we do it. You get the point now. More get from somebody in US.
Okay, part 2. Disadvantage of living in America. Number 1 is cost of living. Cost of living is very high. House rent, high. I know we earn a lot here. We earn in dollars and all that, but it's high. You might be earning $3,000 in 2 weeks or $1,000 in 2 weeks. Your house rent might be $2,000 or your house rent in a month might be $4,000. It depends on where you want to live, but cost of living is high, food is expensive, and they're not good food. Let's not even go there.
I tell you, my dear, people where they cry, they want to return back to Nigeria. They cry. So people they do well, oh, their life does better. That one, now 20%. But what about the 80%? You get the point now. South Africa.
I've told you guys, don't come to South Africa. There is nothing is happening in South Africa. Number 1, South Africa dismantle destiny. If you have a fresh destiny, you come to South Africa, you will be staying in that destiny until that's your destiny time gone. There is nothing is happening. It's just because of the leader of Africa. Our leaders are useless. You see what happened in Indela. Last time I said don't come to South Africa, a lot of people are talking shit. South Africa is ready to kill you. No destiny in South Africa. No work. And they said they should not give us medication. Fine. Now, they are arresting people to Nindela, to whatever prison.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Kill. After killing, now is to poison now. Look at the Malawi. Malawi has almost 8 persons. After eating, after deporting, they are on the road. They die. Is it not destiny waste? Don't come to South Africa. Anybody that tell you to come to South Africa, you need your money, your PTA. Don't come to South Africa. Let we that we are here facing the consequences of suffering because of our useless leaders. That is not all the leaders, but the most of the useless one. From Nigeria, from Zimbabwe, from Malawi, from, if our country is good, nobody will travel to South Africa. South Africa is not an Europe. It's better you go and die by Libya than to die in South Africa. South Africa is not Europe. Don't come to South Africa. Let us be wasting we that we are here. If you God help us, we live. If you God never help us, we are here. But fresh people don't come to South Africa except you want to waste your life. Even street business is not going fine. You can't sell street anymore because it's still jealous. But not all South Africa, but the racist, they are more than the good one. Please, don't waste your destiny. Whatever you are doing in your country, face the consequences. They say build your country. Build it. Don't leave your country to South Africa. South Africa is not Europe. No job. Thank you. Still your boy, AK Big Daddy, Junior Barry White, freedom fighter, first son of EFF. Watima Agbo. You don't hear him, eh? Thank you, guys.
You will never go. Even Libya. We already know about Libya. We'll just use this one. Cover the whole thing. Look at this, our sister. Where they suffer, where they beat for Libya.
No, this might be my last video. But I just wanted to document something. I'm tired. I'm tired. I tried my best. I tried. Victor, my younger brother, I don't wish to leave you. But I can't cope anymore. Mo ti gbìyànjú. I live every day in fear, thinking I might not wake up the next morning. I came into this country, Libya, because of my mom. My mom was sick. There was no job in Nigeria. But before I could finish the agents that brought me in, before I could finish paying her, my mom died. I was left stranded. I'm currently stranded in Libya. I have been suffering for over 3 years. My brother is also in Nigeria alone, suffering. Not that we don't have any family members from my mom's side. But they choose not to care. If I die this way, I still praise God. I lived this long because of my brother. But I don't think I can anymore. I was beaten today by my boss. I was beaten by my boss just because I said I wasn't feeling strong to walk. I was beaten like a thief. I was beaten like a murderer. I'm not a thief. I tried. If this video ever gets out, I don't want people to judge me. I don't want people to judge me. I want my brother to live a good life. The boy has suffered. Victor, I'm not selfish. I want you to know, after God, you are the only one I love the most. This is what life brought me to. This is what life brought me into. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I beg you in God's name. I beg you with the God you are serving. I don't want to die. Please, sir, Swagomoluabi, help me beg Mrs. Abike Dabira. I really need to go back to Nigeria. I don't want to die in this country. I'm tired. I just want to come back home and start my life afresh. I want my brother to see me hale and hearty. I'm sick inside. I'm tired already. I'm tired. Please, sir, Swagomoluabi, I beg you, help me beg Mrs. Abike Dabira. I would be grateful. I would be grateful. I beg you. Thank you. I'm tired. Since the main reason of me being in this country is no more. At least, even if I want to die, I should come and die in Nigeria.
Human being, they do to human being like that, all because of different color. The only way when they go respect us, this color, now when our country dey better. If you have a rich neighbor, you go always respect them because they are rich. Perception, how they perceive us, my brothers and sisters, make you no vex. This class no be to discourage you, make you no travel. If you know say abroad, now your destiny dey, travel go. Anything we fit do to make Nigeria great, we could do. We could put pressure on these politicians. Where they steal our money, they invest outside the country. We could put pressure. Anywhere we fit put pressure, state level, national level, local government level, contribute to No consign me, no consign me. One day, it go consign you. What do you think? Don't forget to like, share.